Evening. Well, a cold night ahead and a very foggy one. Fog already fairly widespread. It'll be dense in many areas during the night. So some fairly dangerous driving conditions to watch out for. As well as that, temperatures below freezing in most areas really, and as low as -3 or -4 in one or two spots. So frost as well, with a risk of icy patches. It will though be a dry night thanks to high pressure over Ireland. Dry practically everywhere, that is, because if we zoom in here we can see there's patchy rain developing there along the northeast, more extensive rain and sleet across Scotland, but dry over Ireland and fairly calm as well. Now tomorrow there'll still be a few patches of light rain there along the northeast coast. Most parts of Ireland will have a dry morning, but we have another weak front coming in there from the Atlantic, bringing rain in the morning to west and southwest coasts. That'll make its way very slowly eastwards. It is pretty weak though, bringing only patches of rain and drizzle, and it will tend to fizzle out practically everywhere by the time it reaches the east. Very little rain there. So pretty dry tomorrow night with frost and fog returning. And for the early days of next week, Monday and Tuesday, we have pressure intensifying there from Scandinavia, so mostly dry. That said, we have another weak warm front brushing up against west and northwest coasts later Monday, bringing further patches of rain and drizzle. Some frost is likely on Monday night, but it should become that little bit milder during Tuesday. Tonight, a cold night though, with widespread fog and frost as well in many areas, with little or no wind. A bright morning for many of us with the frost and fog lifting, but through the morning rain will develop along the west coast. It'll push gradually eastwards, tending to peter out though. Very little there in the east tomorrow evening when it finally arrives. Temperatures 4 or 5 in the northeast, 8 or so along the west coast, with just light to moderate, mainly southwest winds. That's all from me. Now here's the summary.